Hello and welcome back to Mark's House and Garden UK. I'm Mark and I live in this 450-year-old thatched cottage in Cheshire in England. Yes, 450 years old. Imagine that. These beams have been in place without moving for nearly 500 years. And for me, there's something incredibly powerful about that. Just imagine the countless generations of people that have come and gone through that door in that space of time. And when you actually think about that, it makes you feel grounded and it gives you a real appreciation of the cycles and circles of life. And I like those circles and cycles. Now, I'm not saying that I like to be constantly reminded of my own mortality, but I do love the fact that things can go from being quite beautiful to dead, really, in the space of a season. And even though these hydrangea flowers are dying back, they do still have a beauty of their own. And that's why in this video I'm going to make a pre-autumnal deadhead tablescape out of all those things that get written off or thrown on the compost heap at this time of year. Things like these agapanthus flowers which have gone over, and ordinarily we just cut them off and throw them on the compost heap. And look at these buddleia flowers, they've lost all their colour, but they still have a certain beauty. And then of course there's this catinus, the Indian smoke bush, that could form a lovely backdrop to a tablescape. And right here in my wildflower border, which is now finished, dozens of these very structural poppy seed heads. Now the basis for my tablescape will be these old bottles and clay pots which I found buried in my garden from generations past, and that feels really appropriate for this particular tablescape. So now that the scene is set, let's go and gather some goodies from the garden, and you never know, I might just include some windfall apples for a splash of colour. Now, despite the fact that I do want that dehydrated effect, I am going to plunge all my cuttings into a bucket of water. Now I'm going to take a lot off because that will give me the flexibility to prune them down shorter later when I'm arranging the tablescape. And these amazing poppy heads I will give a good shake so that they disperse all their seeds before I take them inside. Now, I don't know about you, but I think even just that scrunched together makes a very elegant and interesting bouquet. But what we're going to do now is going to start trimming and putting them into these bottles and vases. So there you have it, my tablescape made from deadheading in the garden, free from nature. I even found the bottles and the pots buried in my garden. If I can do tablescaping, you can do it too. So have a go. You never know, you might just surprise yourself. And don't forget, all the things that you've seen in this video, including the lights, the jug, the turkey baster, and the secateurs, are available in my Amazon storefront. I'll link it in the description box below this video. I hope you've enjoyed that, and I'll see you soon for some more deadheading tablescape adventures. Bye for now.